In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subdomain in Hostinger. Whether you want to set up different parts of your website, like a blog or a shop, adding a subdomain is a straightforward process that can greatly enhance your site's functionality. Let's walk through the steps together, ensuring you have all the necessary information to get started smoothly. First things first, let's make sure your domain is set up properly. The foundation of adding a subdomain is ensuring that your main domain is already added to your hosting account or is pointed correctly to Hostinger's name servers. This part is crucial because it lays the groundwork for everything else we're going to do. If your DNS, or domain name system, setup isn't already configured, you'll want to take care of that. DNS propagation can take up to 24 hours, so you might need a bit of patience here. This time allows your DNS settings to spread across the internet. Once your main domain is set up and your DNS is good to go, it's time to dive into hPanel, where we'll create the subdomain. Begin by logging into your hPanel account. If you're not already familiar, hPanel is Hostinger's own custom control panel, and it's where all the magic happens. Navigate to the Websites section within hPanel. Here, you'll see a list of the sites you manage. Find your main site from the list and click on the Manage button next to it. This will take you to a new screen with all sorts of options for managing your website. On the left-hand sidebar, there's an option labeled Subdomains. Click on that, and it will open up the section where we can create a new subdomain. Here, you will see a field labeled Create a New Subdomain. This is where you'll type in the subdomain name you wish to use, such as blog or shop. Basically, whatever you intend to use the subdomain for. Now, there's a handy option here for those who want a bit more customization. If you'd like the subdomain to point to a specific directory on your hosting, simply tick the option for a custom folder for the subdomain. If you don't specify, it will automatically create a default directory under public HTML/subdomain shares. Once you've filled in the subdomain name and completed any folder choices, click Create. And there you have it. Subdomains often work almost instantly, but like DNS settings, they can take up to 24 hours for full propagation. This means that even though you've created everything correctly, you might need to wait a bit before it starts functioning worldwide. By taking the time to follow these steps, you've added a subdomain that can help structure your website in a way that makes it more organized and user-friendly. Thanks for watching, and happy website building!